Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change a default printer in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change a default printer in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then go to Printers and Scanners. All your printers are listed here, and you will find an option here, Printer Properties. Let Windows manage my default printer option is enabled. Now you need to turn this option off before changing the default printer. And look, now you will find a printer is default here, but I want to change my default printer to Microsoft Print to PDF. Just click on Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you will find a button here, Set as Default. Click on Set as Default, and look, now my selected printer's status is default. Now go to Printers and Scanners again, and look, the default printer has been changed. This is the easiest way to change a default printer in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.